Now children, discussion of chemical properties of aromatic halides. It means aryl halides, right? What is the type of chemical reaction of aromatic halides? Electrophilic displacement or electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, children. Why aryl halide shows electrophilic substitution, not nucleophilic? You know, this is OP directing group which increases electron density at ortho positions and para position, right? So first is study of chlorination. Chlorination of halide. It means reaction with chlorine. Reaction of aryl halide with chlorine is known as chlorination. For chlorination, what is required? Chlorine gas and Lewis acid, electron deficient molecule. When Lewis acid is taken, then what happens? Formation of chloronium ion. It means positive ion of chlorine. Chloronium ion. You know, ortho and para positions are electron rich positions. Which position is occupied? When limited quantity of chlorine is taken, then only one ortho position is occupied. When excess of chlorine gas is taken, then all positions are occupied. According to this equation, I am writing only one ortho isomer, right? This is ortho dichlorobenzene, IUPAC name 1, 2. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Okay, children? Second possible excess of this one 2Cl2. Here byproduct is HCl. I am writing here HCl. Displacement of this hydrogen by 1 chlorine, then byproduct is HCl. If 2 moles are taken, then what happens? Reaction, formation of second isomer also, which is para isomer. Right? Common name is dichlorobenzene and IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Same position is occupied by this halogen. So this isomer is more stable. Para isomer is always more stable. Right? IUPAC name 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. One important question. In ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene, which isomer is more stable and why? Always para isomer is more stable due to symmetric structure. This is symmetric structure and this is asymmetric structure. Second chemical property of aromatic halide. Children, one reactant is common. So this is a roadmap for chemical properties of halide. In second case, same reactant is taken. Second reactant is different according to nitration process. Second chemical property is nitration, and for nitration what is required? Sulfuric acid and HNO3, right? Concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Then what happens? This mixture is electrophile, which is nitronium ion. In each case, in any chemical reaction of chlorobenzene or haloaryl, always formation of electrophile, because type of reaction is electrophilic displacement reaction. This electrophile is nitronium ion. Nitronium ion. Okay, children? You know always this is OP directing group. What happens? Attack of this electrophile at which position? Electron rich position. One isomer nitrobenzene, and second is, this is orthochloro, second is para. This is para isomer. 2 nitrochlorobenzene, 4 nitrochlorobenzene. Again, para is more stable, right? Second is sulfonation. For sulfonation, what is required? Oleum. Oleum, it means concentrated sulfuric acid plus SO3 gas, sulfur trioxide, right? Because oleum is H2SO7, H2SO4 plus sulfur trioxide gas. What is combined from H2SO7, which is also known as oleum, right, children? Now, sulfonation, this process is a sulfonation, right? Sulfonation, attack of sulfonium ion, and sulfonium ion is H, SO3H. Positive charge is present on which atom? Sulfur, because reaction is electrophilic. And what is obtained? Sulfonic acid. Attach this positive part with carbon of benzene, SO3H. This is wrong structure, wrong attachment. Sorry, this is right attachment. If O is attached, then wrong attachment, right? So always take care of this attachment. Now, which group is principal group? Sulfonic. IUPAC name of this product is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 chloro benzene sulfonic acid. Only this part is benzene sulfonic acid. Okay children. Next is Friedel-Crafts. This is name reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, it means alkylation and acylation. Okay. If aliphatic halide is added, aliphatic halide like CH3Cl, and catalyst is anhydrous AnCl3 without water. Anhydrous means without water. Okay. This mixture gives electrophile, which is methyl carbocation, CH3 plus. This is CH3 plus methyl carbocation, right? Group is opiddirectyl. Then what is obtained? Ortho and para. Excess of this aliphatic halide is taken, 2 isomers are obtained. Orthochlorotoluene, you know, only this part is toluene. Orthochlorotoluene and para chlorotoluene. Okay children. Now acylation, last chemical property is acylation. This is alkylation. Alkylation means attack of alkyl group. So this is called alkylation, right? And when acyl group attacks, what is acyl group? CH3CO. Then reaction is known as acylation. Acylation. For acylation, what is required? Acyl group containing reagent like CH3COCl, acyl chloride, right? Anhydrous aluminum chloride. Then which part is positive? This is bond bracket. Between actual bond is present between C and Cl, not between O and Cl, like this. Like this. This bonding structure is showing actual bond cleavage. This one is more electronegative, which gives carbocation. Okay? And this carbocation is CH3CO plus, positive charge on this carbon. Okay children? Then after acylation, what is obtained? Acetophenone. Friedel-Crafts acylation, by which chloroacetophenone, Cl and ortho and para, but due to more steric hindrance, para is more stable. So this is right structure of ketone COCH3. This is ketone group, right? And which group is principal group? Ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chloroacetophenone. Okay, in this manner different chemical properties are shown by aromatic hydro aryl halides or aromatic halides.